Neptune Injection, based in Hertfordshire, are high-precision tool makers specialising in multi-cavity mould tools. Now, they believe that the industry is changing, and this is what they're doing to keep up with it. So Gary, what is it that you're making here at Neptune?
So mainly we produce high precision injection mould tools for a variety of industries.
And so what would you say is happening in industry at the moment? Where are you pressured?
So we're pressured for cost and time. So what we're trying to do now is manufacture tooling quicker. Everyone requires things quicker than they did the previous year, the previous 5 years. So we've got to come up with ways of making tooling quicker.
And accuracies as well. You've got to keep your quality, albeit having a great lead time.
Yeah, so we're looking to really get things right first time. So with these machines, it gets us to getting the inserts correct, spark eroded right, within tolerance on the first go. So we don't need to revisit things and do rework loops. What we found with these machines is that we can hit the sizes first attempt. For example, on the wire eroders, we've reduced the number of cuts we need to get a good surface finish. So other machines we've used, we've taken 4 or 5 cuts where we can get the same surface finish, same accuracy in 3 cuts on Sodicks.
I mean, working alongside Neptune over the years, we've been able to offer a product that has not only helped their process, but really developed it. So by doing that, by having a reliable machine with good performance, we've been able to cut out an extra operation. So when it comes to injection mould tool making, generally the finished product is critical, and it's all about releasing that plastic from the mould. So generally you've got to have a nice polished cavity. Now the thing is, when you're hand polishing, it's very easy to lose definition, to lose your corner rads, and you can over polish it to the point where it's going to be nothing like what you wanted in the first place. So by being able to spark it reliably and get a very good surface finish is critical.
How are you supporting Neptune then with their lead times?
Lead time is really the most important thing to any business. It's all about getting that product in and out the door as fast as possible. So by having a good machine, a reliable machine that's giving you good quality surface finishes, for example, you're cutting out operations. So now Gary, for example, doesn't have to hand polish his inserts, so they come off the machine and off they go.
You mentioned relationship earlier.
Yep.
Why is it important to you? Because this is your business, isn't it? It's your livelihood.
Yeah, I mean, it's really important to us. So obviously the first thing is the accuracy of the machines and the repeatability. Also, a lot of our customers know that we're using a certain brand of machine, and that pulls in business on its own. Yeah, it helps us out. Yeah, they know using a Sodick machines. People like, that's a good machine. Obviously the company Neptune, know what they're doing. They're doing well. But also the backup, the service we get from Sodick is really important. So just a few weeks back now, our wire eroder went down. The engineer came up the next day and they borrowed a spare part from a machine in their showroom to get us up and running straight away.
Really?
Yeah, it just helped us hit a job lead time.
And that's important to you, why?
Well, it helps us keep to our lead times, gets things done on time and keeps our customers happy.
Let's talk about some of the products now that you're making. Is there anything that these machines do that really assist you with being able to provide for your customers?
Yeah, so the reason we've sort of gained more machines over the last 10, 12 years is because when I sort of took over the business and started the business, we was making single impression type tooling, which means it makes one product at a time. And we've progressed from there to now making high cavity injection moulds, so make 4, 8, 16, 32, 48 parts at a time. And so what these machines do, they give us the repeatability, so we can get the same size of the feature on every cavity, every impression. So, and that's so important, so that when we're trialling tools and making mouldings, making parts, all the sizes are the same. We work for a variety of different sectors in the tool making industry, main ones being medical, automotive, switchgear, and all of these sort of areas require really precise, small features that need good surface finishes and have to be accurate within 0.01 of a millimetre. And the Sodick machines just give us that functionality. As I say, they're a small footprint, and for us, due to the sort of size of tooling we do and the cavity sizes, the workspace we get in these machines is absolutely sort of spot on for our requirements.